Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how you can publish your website on GitHub. Might be you have faced the problem like you haven't the hosting and the domain name, but you want to publish your portfolio online so that you could able to share your link in the resume and other people. So I was also facing the same problem, but the solution I got was that I can publish the same thing on the GitHub. Means GitHub provide the hosting, and you should host your website there, and you should publish from there, and you could able to share those links to the other people. So today I'm also going to show you the same thing which I done, because of which I could able to see my website on the GitHub. For example, just like this. So this is on GitHub, and I have few pages which I uploaded here, and you can see that this is my resume. These are a few links and images, and I have also the about page here, and then after I have also the contact page. So all those pages are hosted on the repository. So let me show you how I did that. So firstly you have to go to GitHub, and if you haven't the account of GitHub, then you should sign up for the GitHub. Here is the sign up button, or might be you can click on sign up for free, but I have the account, so I will sign in. So now there are a few repositories which I have already, which are here, and let me show you which the repository which right now is displayed here. Alright, so this is the repository named Itzer, and I have all the files and folders, images here, and which are published on the GitHub. Alright, so let me show you how I done that. So please focus on this video so that you could able to learn that how the process is going on. So firstly what you have to do is you have to create your own repository, which should be new. So for example, I have a repository named portfolio. Alright, so I have the description here. This is the portfolio. This is my portfolio. Alright, and make sure that you have to click on this checkbox, initialize the repository with a readme. Alright, then click create repository. So now you will find that you have successfully created your repository now. So now I am going to create a new file. You can also upload the file if you have already into your system, but what I am going to do is I am going to create a brand new file here, and here I am going to do some code. I have already some code here which I am going to copy and paste here. So this is portfolio, and here is my portfolio, right? And again I am also writing here okay. So now I have to give the name of this file index.html, and then after you have to commit the changes. So here is commit new file, and I'm going to click on it. Alright, so now what you have to do is you have to click on settings, and then after move down, scroll down, and you will reach on the GitHub pages, right? So here is none selected, right? So what you have to do is you have to select master branch. Once you will select, then automatically the setting would be changed, and now you again move to the home page and go to your repository, which is this, and what you have to do is you have to follow the pattern of creating the URL, which is like for example I am here and adding the new URL, right? So let me paste it here so that you could better understand that how the URL I made. Firstly, your username, this is my username. Then after you have to write github.io. Then after you have to put your repository name. For example, my repository name is portfolio, and then after your page name index.html, right? So now I am going to copy it from here, and then after I am going to paste it here. Now once you will click, you will find that page would be published on the GitHub, and this is on the browser, right? So in this way you can also do the same thing. You can create your repository, you can create the pages, contact page, about page, and one more thing you can do is you can also upload your you can also commit your website from your local system. For example, you have made your website, which is the whole bunch of files are in your system, and what you are trying to do is you want to publish that website online. So what you need to do is you need to push that bunch of files on the GitHub, and then you can make the needful changes which I did before. And then after, in the same way, the pattern I already told to you, that firstly you have to write username, then github.io, then your repository name, and then after your beginner file. For example, as you know that the website is going to be started with index.html, right? So you will write here index.html, and then after you will find that your portfolio would be published. So as you know that I have not written here index.html, and by default considered index.html. So in this way you can publish your website just like me. I have already published, and I am able to share this link to the other people who can able to see my portfolio, who can able to see the resume and everything. So in the same way you can also do the same thing. So if you haven't the account, you can create the account first. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links of my video courses are below in the description, which are absolutely free. So in the next video we would learn new and wonderful things. Please subscribe this channel firstly to get the information of updated videos. In the comment section you can write your feedback about the video, and also write your queries if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.